we just like tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. Turn up. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squabbers, my lovies, happy Thursday. Okay, guys. So I just did my Ipsy video and I talked about Ipsy choices. Definitely go check out that video. I found it hilarious, honestly. My Ipsy January bag wasn't as bad as I thought. But right now, I'm actually going to finally show you guys everything that's going to be in the giveaway. I'm also giving you an update on when it's going to be because I have to work on February 1st. So let's get into this, but before we do all that, if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below, give it a click right here, ring a ding, 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 ding that bell, turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways, baby. And right now I have a 2021 giveaway going on. There will be a Valentine's Day one next week. I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay. So, okay, I switched up the giveaway a little bit. I hope people are not upset, honestly. I mean, it's free, so don't get upset. But I switched it up. Because everything had fallen, like the COVID and stuff and everything, and I had fallen behind on when I was going to announce the giveaway winners and everything, and I never really got a chance to show you guys what everything I was giving away. I just was able to talk about it. So now I have everything here. I can show you guys everything that I'm giving away, and like I said, I did switch it up a little bit. Now, I have to work on February 1st. I have to work for a friend of mine, so that's Monday. I don't know how my day is going to go at work. So I don't want to say, okay, yeah, definitely I'm going to announce the winners on February 1st. Well, maybe I could do that. I might be able to announce the winners on February 1st because I really want to get into the next giveaway. So I guess I could do that. I just don't know how I'm going to be feeling. So I don't want to make promises. So it's either going to be February 1st or February 2nd. Either way, the winners will be announced next Monday or Tuesday for this giveaway. And it's 3 lucky people. Then we could start the Valentine's Day giveaway because it just arrived in the mail. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I'm giving away for Valentine's. That's going to be on February 2nd for sure because I'm off. So I'm about to show you guys everything. And like I said, I changed it up. Now I know I was giving away the liquid eyeshadow pack. I'm still doing that, just not with this giveaway. There's a lot of things going on right now, and I want to incorporate the liquid eyeshadow into the ColourPop giveaway. Oh no, no, oh my God, no. I'm doing that for the Valentine's Day giveaway. That's what I'm gonna do, because it's Lorella. So I'm gonna definitely do Lorella for my Valentine's. So the eyeshadows will go for the Valentine's Day giveaway. Oh my God, that's perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. So let me show you guys, I'm giving you guys this year 2021 giveaway. Like I said, the rules are very simple. You have to be subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like on the video. Make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. This is not the giveaway video. I already announced the giveaway video, and I will leave that in the description box below. Click on it. And then down below in the comment section, comment what is your #1 makeup product you can't live without. I'm sorry, guys. I've had sushi on my braid for 2 days now. And yesterday I wasn't feeling my best. So I went out and got chicken tacos to like coat my stomach. But I'm about to go get my sushi. As soon as I'm done with these videos, I'm going to get my sushi, girl. So let me show you guys what I'm giving you guys. This is, and I'll be announcing the winners either Monday or Tuesday. Then Tuesday for sure will be the Valentine's Day giveaway, the start of it. Okay, so first things first, you will be receiving a lip gloss from my lip vault. So I don't exactly sure which one, but you'll be receiving a lip gloss. I love this thing so much. It's amazing. Every time I go to Dothan, I pick one of these up because they're so good for giveaways. So 3 lip glosses will be coming out of there. Then I will be giving away makeup wipes. So we have peppermint, we have gumdrop, and we have sugar cookie. Okay, now these all will be going to obviously 3 separate winners, but I just thought that this was so cute, so perfect, and you always could put them in your purse and be on your way. The next thing that I'm giving away is the matching hand lotions. I've never given hand lotions away before, and when I saw these, and obviously they go with the wipes, I thought it'd be perfect. So I got the gumdrop, the peppermint, and the sugar cookie. And I love Ulta's little extra goodie things. So definitely this was such a score. So we have those. Then obviously you have to have the big daddy. I am giving away 3 Revolution mini palettes. We have here the Rocky Road. We have the White Gold. And my personal favorite, the Rose Gold Chocolate. So 3 lucky winners will be receiving one of these 3 palettes, the lotions, the wipes, and the lip glosses, okay? I am so excited. I love doing giveaways for you guys. It's amazing. I'm so happy I have the means to do it. And I'm so appreciative for my sweetie squad. You guys are so amazing. Now, while I have you right now, we're also going to talk about merch. The merch is here. The merch has arrived. The merch is ready to drop for my lovey squad. But I believe in basically, presenting something, showing you what you have instead of just telling it. So I have, oh, I'm sorry, my throat's been bothering me today. I have the hoodie and the t-shirt out there on my couch. I am waiting for the dang face mask, okay? I'm waiting for it. It shipped last Thursday. So I'm really hoping it's going to be here today or tomorrow, but whatever. Now, I do have to work this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's the weekend of work, so pray for me. But on Monday, I'm working an extra day, like I said, overtime, and then Tuesday, I'm off. Then I'll be working Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday, I'm probably not going to upload video on next Wednesday and Thursday. But your girl is off that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So get ready for a weekend of videos, honey. Get ready for Nikita Dragon eyeshadow review. Get ready for a special Valentine's Day look to go with what I'm giving you guys away for Valentine's Day. So I'm so excited. We have so many amazing things coming up. I'm so blessed right now with everything. 2021 was very rocky for me with no drama, whatever. Honestly, it is what it is. You know what I mean? We live and we learn from everything. And I have two quotes that I would like to say real quick. And then we're going to end this video on a high note. But like I said, that basically, don't fight fire with fire. That's something that I have learned. You might get burned. I found these quotes when I was at work the other day, and they just spoke to me. So I'm just going to read them off to you guys, and let me know, comment down below if you feel that you agree with it. The first one is, we must forgive others, not because they deserve forgiveness, but because we deserve peace. That is my first quote. It definitely spoken to me, especially with all that bull drama going on. And I really like this. So people don't actually deserve forgiveness, but it brings you peace. The next thing is, amazing things happen to us when we distance ourselves from negativity. Move on past the drama, save it for your mama, and move forward. So that's another thing. And last one, I actually wrote it down, but it wasn't something that I was like, ooh, like the other two. But this one was something that my youth at my job was like, Miss Samantha, I think this is a good one too. I was like, okay, I'll write it down. At the end of the day, be thankful that your blessings are bigger than your problems. I think that is awesome. I thought that was a great quote as well. It's just the other two really spoke to me, but that one is even amazing as well. So those are my quotes. I'm very, very blessed for my sweetie squad. Very blessed with my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. Let me know. This is a video right now where I'm asking you guys, let me know what you want to see. I know I still have that BH Cosmetics haul over there to do. I have 2 PRs I need to get done and a couple of other things. But 2021, I feel, is definitely going to be my year. I'm so excited. And I know you guys keep all asking about Jeffree Star Valentine's Day boxes. Well, I watched his latest video just to see if he was going to sneak it in. I've not heard. But I did see something. One of my subscribers told me that he is trademarking the name Blood Pressure. Are we going to get a Valentine's Day palette from Jeffree Star? I like that. I really do. Blood Pressure. So I'm excited. I don't know what's yet to come, but like I said, I love my squad so much. You guys are my rock, my heart, my everything. Without y'all, there's no me. And like I said, I love you guys to the moon and back. So again, make sure you get your entries in. They will be announced either Monday or Tuesday. I'm so sorry for, giving you an either or. I just don't know how my day is going to go. Hopefully it goes great, but lately it's been crazy at my job. We talking mean girls left and right, fights breaking up. It's been hectic. So definitely, like I said, if I don't post it on Monday, I'll be posting it on Tuesday. And definitely Tuesday will be the new backdrop, ready for V-Day, ready for Valentine's Day. And remember, you are a queen. Everybody's a queen. So remember that, honeys. And I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. And if I didn't already ask you, what do you guys want to see? Let me know in the comments down below, because I don't remember if I just now asked you that. And I'll see you on my next video. Love y'all. Bye.